Importing and exporting projects to machines with NC Simo Solutions version 10. This video will demonstrate how to properly import and export both NC Simo projects and individual machines. It is useful for installing the machine initially after delivery from NC Simo and to zip and pack projects for use in other working environments. Exporting a machine. The final scenario for relocating or transferring items is to export the machine only. This is useful for sending the file to a new job folder location or to the machine developers at NC Simo. Again, make sure that the administrator mode is active before continuing. Also, check that the current job folder is the one containing an active machine. Then, either open a pre-existing project that contains the desired machine or create a new simulation project and navigate to the Machine Selection Explorer. Single-click to activate a machine and find the Export a Machine icon at the top of the active window. In the same way as the Export Project function, a zip file will be created and become available to import as a machine in the desired directory. Using the import and export functions for both projects and machines will allow for the seamless integration between job folders, internal users, and NC Simo developers, assuring that all items in the environment are collected at the same time in a single zip file and available for reuse or repurposing immediately.